Alright, so I thought that I would show you guys how to make Instant Pot mac and cheese since Bernard is making ribs. I don't know if you can see that over there in the background. He's going to grill those. You'll see that video up. But I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot mac and cheese. Really, really simple. So let me show you how. Alright, so you're going to need your pasta. I'm using elbow pasta. You're going to need whatever cheese you desire. I'm using mild cheddar, Mexican blend, and Fiesta blend. That's pretty much all the cheese I have in my refrigerator right now. You're gonna need water, of course, to boil your noodles and whatever seasonings you want. So first, I'm gonna take my pasta and pour it into the Instant Pot. I normally don't measure, I just pour. But if you want to measure, you can measure. So that's about how much I'm going to use. I'm just going to put enough water in there to cover the pasta. All right, so just enough water to cover the pasta. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lid on. So put the lid on, and then you're going to make sure that it's not venting. So this would be it venting. This is not venting. And then I'm going to come here. You're going to select pressure cook. Pressure cook again to normal. And we're going to let that cook for 10 minutes. And then we're going to come back. I'm telling you, this recipe is so easy. You're going to freak. So easy. Oh, while your noodles are cooking, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 because you know that's our favorite setting to bake on, 350. So preheat your oven to 350. So our noodles should be done cooking. I'm just going to put this dish towel over the vent and open the vent so it vents quicker. This is how the pasta looks so far. Now I'm just going to add some milk. And that's about half a cup. I'm going to add my Fiesta cheese. I'm going to stir. You want to do this while the noodles are hot so that your mixture comes out creamy. Add more cheese. Also gonna add some pepper. This is the pepper that I'm using. And I'm gonna add some Lowry seasoning salt. This is the Lowry's. Stir. So this is what it's looking like so far. So cheesy. So now what I'm gonna do is transfer this to a pan and I'm gonna bake it. I was gonna use this pan, but I didn't make enough to use that. So I'm gonna use one of these brownie dishes or brownie pans. I'm gonna butter it so that the mac and cheese doesn't stick. And then I'm gonna pour the mac and cheese in here. I normally use spray butter, but I ran out, so just gonna be using stick butter. My hands are clean. Butter the bottom, butter the sides. All right, y'all see how creamy that is? We're gonna make it even more extra special. Ooh, look. That looks so good already. Thanks. Just gonna smooth it out. And then I'm gonna add more cheese on top. This time I'm gonna use the mild cheddar. Just gonna cover the noodles. And now that it's all covered, we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 10 minutes. All right, that mac and cheese is done. That's how the mac and cheese is looking. Oh my God, I don't know if y'all can see how creamy that is. Look how creamy. Look how creamy this mac and cheese is. And it was real simple. Yeah, I saw how simple it was. So creamy. So let me dig it out. Look how that looks. Creamy greatness and simple. Look at how creamy this mac and cheese is. And we made this in the Instant Pot. Can you believe it? It is beautiful. Now let's see how it's gonna look when it's paired with the ribs.